Welcome to the Basecamp project management dashboard of ThatWare. First up, starting with the Home tab, it generally gets you back to the dashboard homepage of Basecamp, where you can directly type in the search box to look for any project that you are working with. Also, you will find your own profile where you need to update your daily work as stated in the video. Mentioning the date, works that have been accomplished by you on that particular date, and need to update daily. Then comes Ping section. Here you can connect with your respective team members in terms of exchanging project necessary files, or you can even communicate through pings as well. After that, in the Hey segment, the overall activity of the projects that you are associated with, you will get notifications for the same in this section. Also in the ThatWare Campfire HQ, you can specifically tag someone to get the respective team member notify about certain things. Next up, the Activity segment lets you take a look at the entire Basecamp ongoing things all at once. My Stuff segment lets you manage all the things that you have in your assignment, schedule, bookmarks, recent activity, etc. Lastly, the Find option lets you search about any team or projects present in Basecamp. Note, you should be included in the team or project, otherwise you will not find any. Happy Basecamping!